Hello everyone! In today's video we're going to do these fun activities. You're going to love them! We made several glow-in-the-dark sensory doughs. Today we make glow-in-the-dark experiments with a Gata rainbow and a Gata moon. Before we start, we want to tell you that to make this video we used a black light flashlight, which you can buy anywhere, it's very easy. Let's start by making slime. For this we will need white glue, shaving foam, baking soda, contact solution, and fluorescent paint. It doesn't have to be glow in the dark by itself. We'll put about 1 cup of white glue, and then 3 big tablespoons of shaving foam. And we're going to mix it up very well. When we have it, we will add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And we subscribe to this channel, of course. And now we're going to pour the paint, but don't forget to open the bottle before you do it. And when we have this mixture, we can add the contact solution, which is what will activate our slime. Let's start by putting 1 tablespoon. It's always better to add more later. And we start mixing. As you can see, it's already coming off the ball, but it's still not completely separated. So I'm going to add 1 more. And stirring, notice how little by little it's coming off the ball. And we've done it! And now we're just going to knead it a little bit more with our hands, so it starts having the consistency of slime. For this, I'm going to pour a little more of contact solution on my hands. And we need it more. We love this recipe because with the shaving foam it gets very fluffy. Now we turn on our black light. And look at the effect, it's so cool! It's the fun we always have with slime, but with black light. What do you think? We loved it! On top of that, if you put it in a small container, besides playing with the slime, you can make this machine that makes such funny noises. I'm sure the kids will love this part. And before we make the next activity, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's make some Play-Dough. For this we will need 3/4 of a cup of flour, 1/3 of a cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of oil, and fluorescent paint. We're going to start by mixing the flour and the salt. And 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And we mix it very well. And now in the center we're going to make a hole, like this. And there we're going to add the liquid ingredients, which are the 2 tablespoons of oil and the water. But first we have to prepare the water, so we're going to put the paint in the glass and we're going to mix it very well. Look how it shines with the black light! And now we're going to pour it into the hole that we made before. It's always better to put it little by little, especially when we add paint, because depending on whether it is more liquid or thicker, it will change the consistency of the Play-Dough. was saying that it didn't have much color, so I put more paint. And when it's like that, we could knead it. So we started kneading it with our hands. Since I still feel it a little bit sticky, I'm going to put some flour on my hands and continue kneading it. And we would have it! Look how it shines! This Play-Doh recipe turns out super soft. We'd already made it in this channel by using food dye, and since we were adding paint, we changed a little bit the ingredients. You know we love Play-Doh. You can make so many things. For example, you can make letters, or numbers, or shapes. It's great for working on fine motor skills. And if it glows in the dark, even better. By the way, if you haven't visited our website yet, we'll leave you the link in the description. We have a lot of resources that you can download. This is the last one that we uploaded. We hope you like it a lot. Let's continue with the video. Now let's make Oobleck. This dough is super fun. For this we're going to need 1 cup of corn flour and half a cup of water, which as you can see we already mixed with the green paint. And now we're going to try to mix it, but I warn you, it's a little bit difficult to mix. And if you notice that it's too liquid, you can add a little bit more of corn flour. This substance is very cool. It's known as non-Newtonian substance because it's solid and liquid at the same time. The little ones love to play with it. Although we can find it a little disgusting, it's very fun. When we put pressure on this dough, it looks like it's solid. When we hold it in our hands, it becomes liquid and falls through our fingers. So cool! And just like slime and Play-Doh, when we make it with blacklight, it's a lot more fun. Which of these 3 ideas did you like the most? We can't really stay with just one. We loved making this video. We will leave you in the description the flashlight that we used. We hope to see you next week with a new video. In the meantime, you can watch these videos that we have on our channel. Bye!